Everyone, this is Tigo Vibes. Yo, people are sorry to y'all. I've been going through a lot, yo. Yo, me not tell a lie, yo. When God bless some woman, God really bless them, you know, people. Me not tell a lie, yo. Ladies, some are not they're very blessed people. And what me I try to say is, yo. Yo, me say, I gotta give me one piece of fuck, people. Yo, me can't forget about the fuck. Yo, the fuck have me away, yo. Me not tell a lie, the fuck good. Yo, me swear to God, yo, the fuck so good. Yo, me forget all my name. What the police pull me over, people. And me forget my name, me not tell a lie. Yo, ladies, yo, fellas out there, when a woman boom good, dog, I have to big her up, dog. Me not tell a lie, dog, cause yo, the fuck, yo, me get it good, yo, fuck. Yo, cause I only my girl say them pussy good and them pussy not good, cause yo, right now, me say, yo, me say pussy. What the pussy? Oh God, my girl, why have you do this to me, yo? Yo, the pussy good, yo, fuck. Yo, fellas. Yo, you see good thing people you think around weeks now me there and people and I go through this, you know. You know what I say, me I try to live a good life but the pussy have me away. Yo, me not tell a lie, yo. Yo, God know my girl, your pussy good, yo, fuck. Oh God, yo. Please, me I beg you, my girl, yo. That could be more. You see me? Oh God, I best pussy me ever have in my life. Yo, ladies, God know, yo, because girls, they won't have the pussy like this, yo, God. The pussy have me and cry all week. Every morning, me get up, me and cry, yo, the pussy good. Yo, I swear, yo. God know, yo, me don't know why. But, cause our girl will tell me, say, her pussy good enough people. Until me get some right. And she said she can't quit the pussy. But then when she start right, me can give me look for the pussy look, can't see how people. I saw the pussy look. The pussy ugly and fuck. No good for the pussy people. When me done, me can't crash, me lose me job. Yo, one mega crash, sister take me, but me not tell her. From me get the pussy and people are just up. I straight blessed, me get a raise and me job, everything home, girl. I forgot to give her 5 money, but me not tell her like, yo. Yo, your pum really good, yo. I best me ever have, yo. God know me not tell her like, yo, cause I only my girl me fuck still, no girl pussy never good, so yo, me not tell her like, girl pussy good. What the pussy please? Just a look at me that pum me, I beg you, God, no. Me can't do this no more. Me can't, cause the pussy doesn't go in it, so go in it, man. I take off my clothes with the pussy. Yo, the pussy have me in a spirit, me not tell her. Oh my God, please help me. Just a look at me more. Me not tell her like so. Fellas out there, me I beg you know. If you know man pum good, big her up. Make a bit of her, show her how good her pum is. Appreciate her pum cause trust me, I only for man out there that love to get piece of the pum there. So yo, people are Sticker Vibes, you see me? Yeah, don't forget to follow me for my IG at Sticker Vibes. Yo, the pussy have me away still, but yo, me have gonna yes. Baby, please don't help me out. Cause I don't think no girl pussy good, so. No girl pussy can't come up to the pussy, then I tell you, any girl thinks how no bad come. Cause I tell her, best pussy me ever get pussy have me away still. She don't even have the time, the pussy time. Pum, please let me go. What people talk about the pussy are too good.